guys, and today we're down at Uncle Krish and we will be ordering some food. So take a walk with me over here. Auntie Mira, how are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Can I have one mutton bunny, right?
Bunnies?
Yes. And then can I have 2 chicken burgers? And with chips, yes. One curry and rice to take away, and one mutton bunny to take away as well. And then 2 Cokes, please. Thank you so much. Alright, now we wait for the food. Guys, just check out this mutton curry here. The meat portions are actually insane. One piece of meat, and check how tender it is. Yeah. Full of flavor. And there's that spice coming through. Sauce. What's a bunny without some sauce? You need that gravy, you know what I'm saying? Cheers. Guys, the meat pieces is massive, man. Can't believe it. Don't forget salad, side of salad, classic. This mutton is so divine. Like bonus around here. It's just mutton on mutton on mutton. Gigantic pieces. If my face looks messy, there's no mirror here, then you know this is someone enjoying the curry. The gravy slaps you. It's like you can't get enough. And the funny thing is, everything is perfect. Enough. Like, you know, a lot of curries and stuff have too much potatoes. I just counted 2 potatoes here, which is, I think, is a fair amount. Nothing more, nothing less. That's great. This is when you know you've been defeated. Not in a bad way, but I needed some more bread here. Oh, the chow was top notch. Top notch. Hey guys, and today we're down by Uncle Krish, House of Curries, and here's the legend himself from KZN. Uncle Krish, thanks for having us. So welcome. So Uncle Krish, can you just tell our viewers quickly who you are, what you do, what you have on offer?
Okay, my name is Krish. I come all the way from KZN. I'm a chef from Durban, learned from the legends, and I'm here to provide meals with the proper Indian cuisines. And I have a passion when it comes to cooking. So what I love the best is what I do.
And what can the people expect to, what can they get here by you?
We do all our biryanis,
Alright.
lamb throats tried. We do the crab. My best top seller here is the mutton bunny chops.
And we just actually had that now. Thanks so much. It was so filling. I don't want to complain, but there was too much meat in it. Absolutely love it.
That's what everybody says. How come you do the bunnies differently? You fill it up where we can't even finish it. We still got doggy bags to take.
Yeah.
And that's what I love. People must enjoy themselves, have enough, no rationing when it comes to, not stingy with the fillings.
Alright.
The fillings has to be good, gravy, enough of everything. And the flavor must be number one.
Hello, Krish. Thank you so much for having us. And you can find Uncle Krish
Thank you.
now, number 1 David Street in Westering.
and
corner of Diggery, number 6 Diggery, opposite the hotspots.
Thank you.